Hey everyone, welcome back to Spiral. Today, we are diving into a detailed review of CocoSpy, a powerful phone monitoring app. Whether you are a concerned parent, an employer, or someone willing to protect their loved ones online, this video will give you all the answers you need. Before we proceed, a word of caution. Do not use these apps to spy on someone without their consent. It is illegal and highly unethical. Please ensure you have the proper permission as these apps intend to safeguard your loved ones online. With that said, let's get started. For those wondering how CocoSpy works, well, it discreetly monitors a target phone by collecting call logs, messages, and GPS location. This data is securely uploaded to CocoSpy's server, allowing you to remotely access and manage it through an easy-to-use interface. The app operates in stealth mode, staying hidden on the target device. To install CocoSpy on a target phone, the process differs based on the device type. For Android devices, you need physical access to the phone. First, enable unknown sources in the settings and temporarily disable Google Play Protect. Then, visit the official CocoSpy website using the phone's browser. Download the app and follow the installation instructions. For iPhones, you only need the iCloud credentials of the target device. Simply sign up on the CocoSpy website, enter the iCloud details during setup, and verify the connection. Moreover, you can experience CocoSpy's power with a free demo. Witness firsthand the insights you will gain into your target's phone right at your fingertips. Worried about compatibility issues? Fear not. CocoSpy seamlessly integrates with both Android and iOS devices, ensuring you are always in the loop. Once you are in, the dashboard becomes your command center. From tracking locations to monitoring contacts and calls, it's all conveniently laid out for you. Now, let's delve deeper into CocoSpy's arsenal of features. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first feature of CocoSpy is Calls and Contacts. It provides a comprehensive overview of all call activities on the target phone. This feature logs detailed information including the contact name, phone number, call duration, date, and call type. The information is updated in real time, allowing you to see recent call activities promptly. Additionally, you can see all the saved contacts on the target device, and you can even remotely block specific contacts from the dashboard itself, enhancing control over the target person's communication. The next feature of CocoSpy is text message monitoring. This feature allows you to view all text messages sent and received on the target phone. CocoSpy not only displays the current messages but also retrieves deleted ones, ensuring no conversation goes unnoticed. This capability helps you to stay informed about all text-based communications, which is particularly useful for parents monitoring their children's interactions. Moving on, CocoSpy's keylogger records every keystroke made on the target Android device. This includes typed text messages, emails, search queries, usernames, and even passwords. The keylogger works silently in the background, capturing data even in private browsing modes. While there might be a slight delay before the recorded data appears, you can manually sync the information if needed. This feature is crucial for tracking all typed interactions on the target device. The location tracking feature of CocoSpy provides real-time GPS location updates of the target phone. You can view the current location on a map as well as a detailed history of all visited places, including precise latitude and longitude coordinates. The timestamps for each location are also available, and you can click View to see the location on Google Maps. This feature is particularly useful for parents who want to ensure their children's safety by knowing their whereabouts. I have covered a detailed video on how to track someone's location on Google Maps. You can watch it by clicking on the I button. CocoSpy also monitors various social media and messaging apps such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Snapchat, TikTok, and more. It captures screenshots whenever these apps are active on the target phone, organizing them chronologically. This feature allows you to review text conversations, identify chat participants, and observe activities on these platforms. It's particularly valuable for keeping children safe from online risks by monitoring their social media interactions. The next feature provides a list of all installed apps on the target device. You can see which apps are currently in use and how long each app has been active. If an app is deemed inappropriate, you can block or remove it remotely. This capability helps parents manage their children's app usage, ensuring a safer and more controlled digital environment. CocoSpy also allows you to view all photos and videos stored on the target phone, including those on external storage like SD cards. This feature is crucial for monitoring explicit or inappropriate content that might be shared or received through apps like WhatsApp or Instagram. By discreetly viewing these media files, parents can stay informed about the multimedia content on their child's phone. The browser history feature lets you check the internet history of the target device, even if the history is from incognito mode. It shows the websites visited, the frequency of visits, and timestamps. CocoSpy app also offers a remote website blocking feature to prevent access to adult content. Additionally, it provides insights into connected Wi-Fi networks, helping parents manage their child's internet usage more effectively. CocoSpy offers remote access to the target phone's camera and microphone, allowing you to capture photos and stream live videos from both the front and rear cameras without the phone owner's knowledge. You can also listen to the surroundings using the phone's microphone. So that's all about its features. Now let's talk money. CocoSpy offers straightforward pricing plans for both iOS and Android users. The monthly subscription costs $49.99, while opting for a 3-month subscription reduces the cost to $29.99 per month. For those seeking long-term use, an annual subscription is available at $12.66 per month. This tiered pricing structure provides flexibility and cost savings based on the duration of use. Now before concluding, let's talk about its pros and cons. CocoSpy offers several advantages, including a simple installation process with automatic setup and quick syncing of information from the target device. It can retrieve deleted messages and call logs without needing to root or jailbreak the target device. Additionally, CocoSpy provides a free demo for users to try before purchasing and effectively tracks social media and instant messaging apps, along with accurate location tracking of the target person. However, it has some drawbacks, such as the lack of a geofencing feature and the inability to record calls. To conclude, I would like to say that CocoSpy is a powerful and comprehensive monitoring tool with a wide range of features that cater to various needs, whether it is for parental control, employee monitoring, or for personal use. CocoSpy provides detailed insights into the target device activities, all while maintaining discretion and privacy. However, it's crucial to use this app ethically and legally, ensuring proper consent and adherence to privacy laws. Thank you for tuning in. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to SpyDrill. I'll see you in the next video.